Hello everyone, and how are you doing? So before realizing the tips I'll be sharing with you today and making these changes, I realized my skin was aging so fast. Like so fast I had to do something, and I have noticed tremendous change. I have to share with you these tips so you can add in your skincare, and trust me, you will love your skin. You will age and your skin still looks so vibrant. Not that we don't want to age, but you want to age and look good, feel good. Like looking vibrant and youthful as you age is a very big level up. Something you want to do, and trust me, you feel good as you age, not like you feel like you're dying because you're aging now. So I'll be sharing with you these tips. Take your pen and paper, copy them down, get everything you need to have your skin looking all popping and youthful. Yeah. So the first mistake I used to do is not applying sunscreen, most especially on my face and my neck before getting out into direct sunlight. Let me tell you something. Sunlight is like the 90% cause of aging on the skin. It doesn't only age your skin, it destroys the skin cells on your skin. Your skin ends up looking so dry, not plump, and having that healthy fresh glow to your skin. Sun damage takes away that healthy fresh glow to your skin, and you realize your face start aging so fast. It hits underneath your eyes and you end up with dark circles, destroying the cells underneath your eyes, and you start having fine line wrinkles. So it is very important you protect your face before getting out into direct sunlight. This is very important. I use sunscreen, plus I put on glasses each time I'm getting out into direct sunlight. So if you're that person who doesn't put on sunscreen, please just get yourself sunscreen, a moisturizer with sunscreen. This one is from La Roche. So there are sunscreen moisturizers from so many different brands, and you can actually get the one that works for you. The most important thing is to protect your face, most especially, and your neck. That is where the sun hits directly. So yeah. Tip number 2. If you don't have rose water, this is something you want to get. Rose water is very good as you age, most especially from 25 and above. You want your skin always hydrated. Like, this is so important. Hydration is the key to a youthful skin, most especially if you're from 25 years and above, 25, 30, 40, 50. You are not yet using rose water on your skin. This is a big secret. You want to spray it on your skin all the time to maintain that hydration, that moisture to your skin. Like, this is the only toner I use, and this is very, very hydrating. You never want your skin dry as you age. Your skin will age so fast. But if you always have your rose water, like after you cleanse, you exfoliate, you follow with your rose water before you moisturize. That way, there is always moisture on your skin. So get yourself rose water if you're not used to, like, this is life-saving. Rose water, very important. The next bomb secret is these rollers. If you don't have them, please get this for yourself. This is very important. They help to boost collagen. Like, most especially when you roll them underneath your eyes, it promotes blood flow underneath your eyes, collagen production, and have your skin always plump and youthful. Like, this is something I do all the time, like almost every day. I use this on my face, most especially underneath my eyes, like all over your face. Just have that blood flow, boost collagen production, and trust me, your skin will always look so plump and youthful. So get yourself one of these rollers and you will come back and thank Razor. Secret number 4 is an eye cream. If you don't have an eye cream and you're 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and you're aging so fast, most especially wrinkles underneath your eyes, and you don't use an eye cream, this is the reason. You need an eye cream if you're from 25 and above. This is so important. It saves you from having dark circles underneath your eyes, and those dark circles make your face look so aged. So you want to use to moisturize your under eye just like the rest of your body. Your under eyes need to be moisturized, and you need to do that with an eye cream which is mild and good enough for your under eyes. they leave your under eyes moisturized, that way preventing wrinkles, fine lines. Your under eyes are always so vibrant. Like whenever I use my eye cream and I put on my makeup, I look so youthful because it leaves that moisture underneath your eyes. You know, some people will make makeup and you see dry wrinkles underneath their eyes, and like that is so horrible. But having your makeup on an eye cream makes it so fresh and you look so youthful. So this is very important, an eye cream to leave moisture underneath your eyes, preventing dark circles, dryness, causing all those premature fine line and wrinkles. So get yourself an eye cream. I don't recommend particular brands. It is just for you to search the brand that works for you and get an eye cream for yourself. You can always get an eye cream from your beauty supply or your local drugstore. You have them there, and just make sure you're moisturizing your under eyes. Very important, and your skin will always look so plump and vibrant, youthful. So this is a big secret. Secret number 4. Secret number 5. If you're not scrubbing your skin and you're from 25 and above, you notice your skin looks so dry, so flaky, so rough, congested, and you're not scrubbing your skin, know you need a scrub. I've shared videos with different scrubs I use on my skin. Some I do them DIY at home, and when I get so busy, I get my drugstore body scrub just to have all those dead cells out of the skin and reveal a much more smoother, youthful looking skin. When you have dead skin on your skin because you don't scrub, your skin looks so rough and congested. And when your skin is congested, the next thing is that aged or aging look to your skin. So scrubbing and removing dead skins. So scrubbing and removing dead skin cells on your skin reveals a much more youthful and younger looking skin. So the next thing you need is scrubbing. You can make your DIY coffee scrub. You can get a drugstore scrub to scrub your skin. That depends on you, but that job needs to be done. You need to remove dead skin cells on your skin because as you age, you shed a lot of skin and it stays there. You need to do the work of cleaning it off your skin, and if you don't do that, you end up with a very rough, congested and aged looking skin. Yeah, so get yourself a scrub. This is secret number 6. As you age as well, you equally want to always read ingredients in moisturizers you're buying. You don't use any moisturizer on your skin from 25 and above. That is when you need to start reading ingredients in your moisturizers. You go for moisturizers with collagen, collagen moisturizers. You go for moisturizers with vitamin C, which help boost collagen for that youthful looking skin. You increase your elastin levels and your skin stays looking so firm. Like, you want to read ingredients before getting your moisturizer. For instance, this moisturizer is from Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Correcting Cream with vitamin C and retinol. So I went for this moisturizer because it has vitamin C, which helps to boost collagen production for that youthful looking skin. It has retinol, and always read ingredients. Or you use carrot oil on your skin, which is a form of vitamin A as well, very good for youthful looking skin. So if you can get carrot moisturizers to use on your skin, you can get moisturizers with vitamin C, retinol, collagen moisturizers. Like, be intentional about the moisturizer you're using on your skin as you age. Moisturizers that will help fight aging. Always read the labels, read ingredients, and that is how you use those kinds of moisturizers, and they help your skin looking always plump and youthful. That is a big secret. And bonus secret, you want to be drinking enough water your system can accommodate. Water is one of the best things that will freshen up your skin. You want to drink water, stay away from stress. Always have your beauty sleep time. Like, try as much as you can to have your 8 hours of sleep a day. Sleep. Never sacrifice your sleeping time to watch movies. Trust me. Always have your beauty sleep time. Drink your water. Stay in your lane. Mind your business. Avoid stress. whoever wants to stress you, like stay away from people who stress you, and you will always have a very beautiful and vibrant looking skin. Trust me, that is a big secret. I'm telling you, like it is a big level up to look youthful as you age. It makes you feel so good and proud of yourself. Yeah, so that is what I wanted to share with you. I hope and I know someone picked one or two of the tips I shared. There is no particular brand I'm recommending. Just search whatever I shared with you today from any brand you're comfortable with, and trust me, you watch your skin looking so youthful and vibrant as you age. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay looking good, level up our skincare, and look so youthful and vibrant. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.